Ever been at a dinner table, everyone nodding along about ChatGPT, and you're nodding too, hoping no one asks you what it is? You're not alone. Here's the plain version. ChatGPT is a tool that understands what you type and replies in clear, everyday language. Think of it like this. First, it can explain something complicated. Type, "Explain interest rates like I'm new to this." You'll get a calm, simple answer. Second, it can write an email. Try, draft a polite email to my broadband company about a price rise. Third, it can summarize a document. Paste the text and say, "Give me the key points in a few bullet points." Now, how is this different from Google? Google shows you links to websites. You do the digging, ChatGPT gives you a direct conversational answer right away. Here's an easy analogy. Google is a library. Rows of books, lots of choices. ChatGPT is a knowledgeable friend who's read every book and explains just the bit you need. A quick reality check. It's helpful, but not perfect. It can make mistakes. So for important things, money, health, legal stuff, always double check with trusted sources. Getting started is simple. Open a browser, search ChatGPT, make a free account, and type a question. Like you're texting a friend. You can say, "Help me plan a 3-day trip to Edinburgh on a budget." Turn this messy note into a neat checklist. If the reply isn't quite right, just say, "Shorter, friendlier," or try again. One more thing people ask, is it safe? Treat it like any online form. Don't share bank details, IDs, or anything private. And yes, there's a free version you can use today. It is completely free to use. If you felt a bit left behind, this is your gentle on-ramp. Try one small task, see how it feels, and build from there. That's AI, plain and simple.
Like and subscribe for more plain simple AI videos.